Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is MacBook M1. So the complete screen has shattered and we're going to replace it. So today this video is all about how to replace the screen. I know this is really expensive if you visit any shop, repair shop to replace the screen. But if you try yourself with basic knowledge, you can do it yourself and save a lot of money. So let's say you can get this job done, sorted, less than 250. So let's do it together. So first of all, you should have some tools and you need to follow step by step. The first thing, you need to place an order online. You can try eBay or Amazon. I don't know if they do. Buy this model number, which is printed at the back. Once you have the right part, then you can do it yourself. This is the replacement part. It comes with the complete unit. So you're going to leave it on the side. And also we should have some tools, especially I do have iFix tools, so it covers up everything. If you do have similar sort of thing, should be fine, or you can buy individually just for the MacBook. As you can see, we do have plastic tools, tweezer, and pretty much that's all, nothing special. And try to have one of the section. Either we can get only this part or the whole thing. So first is first, we're going to take out the screws from the back. It takes P5 screwdriver to take out the bake plate, and some screws are short, some screws are long, especially the hinges one are long, so make sure you keep it organized. The key point of this repair, to get successful, what you should do, keep all the screws organized, okay? Especially if you don't do these things regularly, it's very easy to get confused. If you mix up the screws, you might damage some internal components. As you can see, I'm struggling to take out the back plate. I just fast forwarded the video to make it shorter, but believe me, don't expect it's going to be that quick. You just need to pull it towards you, and then it should come out. As you can see, there are two end cords, which make things difficult. And once the bake plate is taken out, you must have to disconnect the battery. That's the first thing. Let me tell you how many screwdrivers you need. So you need P5, then Torx 3, Torx 4, and Torx 5. I believe all those screwdrivers should be fine, but sometimes to take out the Wi-Fi antenna might be a little smaller, but T3 should be fine. So if you have 3 screwdrivers, that should be enough. And also try to have some plastic spudger tools, okay? Never try to use any sort of metal pry tool that might damage, shorted the board, and everything would be completely waste. So pretty much that's all. And then you need to follow this video. We're going to take out the hinges cover to remove 336 fat screws from the hinges. And also we're going to take out the Wi-Fi antenna before you taking out the whole panel out. So see step by step. And if you do have any question, don't forget to leave it in the comment section, guys. I'll be very happy to reply it if it is possible, okay? And I hope you'd enjoy the rest of the video. Keep watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Let's test it. It seems it's turning on without any issues. Screen is working absolutely fine. I tested all the function also correct. So pretty much that's all. So what did you learn from this review? First things that you need to be careful with the screwdriver. You need to use the appropriate one, otherwise the screw can get broken and then you will end up with no fixing it. Second one, to disconnect the battery before touching any other components from the motherboard. And then we need to keep the screws organized, put it back, and especially when you take out the hinges, we need to be super careful, So thank you so much for watching. If you do have any comment, don't forget to leave it in the comment section, and please like and subscribe. And I hope I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. Thank you.